Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to remove all the leading spaces from a string in Shift. Here we are going to declare a new variable. Let's say my str is equals to, I will put some spaces in the leading edge, then I will say hello world. I want to remove these leading spaces. To remove, I'm going to create a new variable. Let my new str is equals to, now we had to use this variable my str, the variable name of your string, dot trimming characters inside parentheses. You have to pass in the parameter type as in colon, then here I will say dot white spaces. Okay, now let's go ahead and print this. I'm printing my new str. You can see the spaces has been removed in this string. Now you can go ahead and declare this thing into here, but if you want to do that, you have to make that mutable, because immutable variables cannot be changed later. Then if you can make this into var, then my str is equals to my str dot trimming characters, now inside parentheses in as the parameter type colon dot white spaces. Now my str will be assigned into this new string with removal of these spaces. Alright,